how to download and install WhatsApp on Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by opening up our web browser and searching for WhatsApp. That's all you need. Then there's the whatsapp.com website. Left click that. Has to be the official one. Accept the cookies. Now, as you can see, simple, secure, reliable messaging. And below that is Android, iPhone, and Mac or Windows PC. You want to click the Windows PC button. Then come over to the right, download for Windows. Left click that, and it's now downloading the WhatsApp setup.exe, which might take some time depending on your internet connection. Mine is pretty slow at the moment. Now it's been downloaded. Now left click it, the exe. Wait till this loads. The setup wizard should come up real soon. There it is. Now, as you can see, there it is. To use WhatsApp on your computer, open WhatsApp on your phone, tab menu, settings, link devices, and then use the QR code to link your WhatsApp to your WhatsApp on Windows 11. I hope this video could help you out. If it did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.